So we sell liquidation merchandise. So this is a great business to be in. As far as building your clientele, all it takes is one client. For example, you see this pallet out here? This guy, he's actually shipping this stuff to Jamaica. So he got his own store in Jamaica. Let me show you what kind of pallet he purchased. He purchased one of these whole things, and it's full of Home Depot small items. He had a whole bunch of gloves. So we still got several more. But just getting into the business, we actually teach people how to get into the business. You can go to Hope, HOPE.com, or you want a digital course, you click on that link that's up in the you click on that link that's in the I'm gonna have in the description, and that takes you to our digital course to show you how to get into the business. But all it takes is you get, it can be one client you get, and that one customer can actually just bring the extra income. I wouldn't want to depend on just one person. You want several just in case something don't go good with his business, that you will still be able to just still have income coming in, and versus depending on one client. But it can just be one person to change your business. One person. And it can be one contacting your phone. So the liquidation business, you can get furniture. It's like, what do you want to sell? You can get furniture. You can get clothing. Like we got t-shirt. We had t-shirt pallets. We get dining room stuff. I go to t-shirts, plates, light bulbs. You can get food, but what we teach in our course is get a non-perishable item. So you won't have a timeline to have to move it. So you get a perishable item, then it's gonna be a you want non-perishable. You get a perishable, then you're gonna really be on the timeline. But if that's your business and you get food or stuff like that and selling it, you can get that stuff too. So I would suggest you sign up for our digital course. We do have workshops. The next one gonna be June the 10th, but if you watch this video after June the 10th, then you just go to hopebeham.com or fasttrackmillionaire LLC.com, so you can actually see when our next workshop. And what we do, we get the pallet. When we get the pallet, like these pallets haven't been touched, untouched. And when we do touch it, we lower the price. When we do touch a pallet, we lower the price. And we operate in integrity. So if somebody come in and want to buy one item off a pallet, we give them an opportunity to buy that one item. But if that item is broke, what we do, we don't put it back on the pallet so we can just sell it to you. We take it to the back and we create a fix-it pallet. That is somebody, and we got somebody come and purchase our fix-it pallets, and we'll sell a fix-it pallet for like $100 or $150. So we still making money off our stuff even if it's broke, and keeping our integrity without us. So this is a fix-it pallet. This air conditioner didn't get cold. It was on one of the pallets. All this stuff is fix-it. That's a playhouse back there. So next time a guy come through, he throw me $100, he can grab all this, 100 or 150. And we add more on to it if it get bigger. But since he work with me, I just do $100. We got chairs. When I tell you, what do you want? You want cosmetics? Like, what kind of stuff do you want? You can get it through liquidation. You can get a lot of stuff, computers, electronics. So it's like, first figure out what do you want to sell. But we teach all that in our digital course. So you can get that like right now. All right, y'all. E-commerce, like we doing eBay too now. You ain't gotta just do this stuff. Somebody come meet you. You can do e-commerce. We got. Let me show y'all what we do. I just end this video. Let me show y'all. Like this was on a pallet. All this right here. We had a $600 pallet, and it had. This was on one of them. We had two of those. It was actually this one, the motion sensor, and the other one. But we do eBay too. Take y'all to the back. So we do eBay. We do eBay. And so a lot of people can just go to the auction and get this stuff, but some people don't want to deal with the auctions. So people that want to deal with buy now, they come to us and they just don't have to deal with that headache. They don't have to deal with that headache. They don't have to deal. We're gonna throw them bikes out. Let's bring them bikes from back there and put them on the floor. But Mike and I'm thinking about, you know, that lock at. All right, y'all.